Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use ChatGPT from your action button of your iPhone 15 and above model. You can easily use ChatGPT in place of Hey Siri. How to use it? How to use ChatGPT from your action button? Here go to App Store and first download ChatGPT app in your iPhone. Simply look for ChatGPT, search and download and install it in your system. Once successfully downloaded,
to use ChatGPT on your phone, open the App Store, search for Chat.
Thereafter go to settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and look for action button. Action button feature newly introduced by Apple on iPhone 15 Pro Max and above model. Here simply swipe right to left or left to right, and here you will find swipe and you will find controls option, and here choose a control, tap on it. Here various type of option available which you want to add in your action button. Look for ChatGPT and you can see ChatGPT option available. Choose open ChatGPT voice feature, either app or otherwise voice. Choose, tap on it, and now ChatGPT is successfully added to your action button control. And now close the page and go to your iPhone action button. From the left side of button you will find a action button. Simply tap on it and you can see ChatGPT voice feature open. So choose a voice and set up as per your choice, and set up a voice first and Hey ChatGPT or other as per your choice, and you can simply open or use ChatGPT from your iPhone action button from iPhone 15 Pro Max and above model, because action button has been introduced in iPhone 15 Pro Max and later. That's all.